Welcome back to Bermuda Grad Central. You are chilling with the big yard dog himself, BYD. And guys, you saw that thumbnail. I think I found an alternative to you trying to put iron down. And the one that we all know is Ironite. Now this one, it's interesting. Stay tuned.
You're watching Bermuda Grad Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time.
Okay, yard fanatics, look, I'm always trying to find things that are interesting, things that you, as the average homeowner, you may not know about. Now, I actually came across this product just doing research, looking at the Walmart app, the Home Depot app, Lowe's app, Amazon. I'm just all over the place, all right? So doing that, I found something on the Lowe's app, and it's a product which is a granular iron product, just like Ironite. But the thing that's interesting about this one is it contains over 16% iron. And I'm gonna put that in my lawn. Once again, like I said, testing my yard again. I hope I don't F it up like I did last time, but I'm gonna test that in one section of my yard. And I just wanna see the deeper green that I'll get versus that Fertiloom. Now, you should have already seen that video. If not, there's a link above. Click on that, you can watch it. But this section of my yard is gonna get that our Ironite Alternative. Now, the thing with it is I've already put down my fertilizer. I did a purely organic fertilizer, 4 bags, 20,000 square feet worth of material. And the one thing about purely organic, it does not contain iron. So your yard will get green, but I wanted to get a little deeper green. Matter of fact, let's just look at this product real quick. Check it out. Okay, yard fanatics, look, this is the product right here. All right. That's what it looks like. You know, granular fertilizer. Excuse me, granular iron. Kind of reminds you of little Organite the way it looks, but this is what I want to show you right here. All right, it says it's Sunniland Super Iron Plus 16.5% iron. All right. Use it anytime. It's been certified. All kinds of good stuff. Let me look, it's a 20-pound bag, covers up to 4,000 square feet. All right, let's look at the back of it real quick. All right, you got spreader settings back here. There's the analysis. Look at that. Total iron 16.5. This got some manganese in it. Got a lot of stuff going on. Magnesium sulfate. By the way, that's my neighbor cranking up right there. And it also has a spreader settings down here also. All right. And what that says, all green, worry-free. So basically they're saying you don't have to worry about this stuff damaging your lawn, all right? And if you can see on this side over here, like I said, I've already measured off a little over, well, it's about 3,700 square feet. We're gonna put the whole 4,000 square feet bag down in this section only right here. All right, and we're gonna see what happens in a couple of weeks. Now, we've been getting rain lately pretty much every day, but it hadn't been major rain, just rain 30 minutes, an hour or something like that. So hopefully I can get this watered in, and within a week I want to see the difference. But let me show you something. I ordered this from Lowe's. All right, and actually it's my second time ordering from Lowe's, but I never ordered a product and had it shipped to my home. So let's go look at that real quick. Okay, yard fanatics, look. I ordered this from Lowe's, okay? It came in this box just like this. Now I ordered 4 bags of them, and each of them came in their own box. All right, now one thing I do like, I like how it's packaged. And if you don't know anything about Craftsman used to be a Sears brand. I think Lowe's has purchased the Craftsman brand, and they're putting that tape on there to entice you to come to the store and buy some of that Craftsman product. And I use Craftsman tools in the past, and I never had a problem out of them, so that's a good product. But let's go ahead and this, I guess this is like an unboxing, all right? Sunniland granular iron unboxing. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it so where you can see it. All right. Let's see here. I got some paperwork to make sure my address ain't on it. What's this all about? Okay, this is a return slip. This basically shows what I purchased. Return label and return policies, all that good stuff on there. All right. So inside the box, let's see what's in the box. Tilt that so you can see it. Got a lot of cardboard in there. All right, and that's it. This 20-pound bag fertilizer. Sit this box to the side. Okay, guys, and that's basically how it comes right there. If you can see that. Now, I showed you what it looks like earlier, and I got a little packet of it down here, so you can also see it. I'll bring that to you. See a little bit closer. Can you see that? All right, and here's the other thing. This product, it smells. I'm not gonna lie to you. It has the faint scent of milorganite. Now it's not milorganite. They say it's iron, and I don't know how they process this stuff, all that good stuff, guys, but it does have an odor to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and spread this on the lawn. And guys, if you find these videos interesting, the best thing you can do for BYD is to go ahead and click on the subscription button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. All right, I'll update this video on my lawn. Either it's gonna be here, but I also update on Instagram also. All right, so follow me on both of those and you'll get the best BYD experience that you ever had. All right, so let's go ahead and apply this to the lawn real quick, and I'll get right back with you. Okay, you are fanatics. Look, I'm doing a little sweating. Man, it feels like 100 degrees out here, but I think it's around about 80 something, but it's real. The humidity is high. But listen, I went ahead and I fertilized that. Like I said, guys, best way to find out the results, hit the subscription button right now, turn on the notifications. As soon as I update this video, you'll get a little notification through YouTube. Now, I'll probably do a few more videos before this one actually comes out, but that's the best way to stay updated on this channel. Like I said, we went ahead, we did the yard. And by the way, I know some guys are asking me what's the calibration I used on that Let's Go. I didn't get the calibration right, so I actually had to push it twice. You know, I only like to really push it once. But if you're gonna push it twice, let me show you what the settings are. Okay, you are for next. Look, it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but if you can see that, I got it set on 11. All right, so those of you who got a Let's Go spreader, if you set it on 11, you want to push roughly 4,000 square feet, put it on 11, but you have to push it twice. Now, if I got it on 11, I'm assuming if I put it around about 15, I should be able to get it with one, but I just wanted to make sure, so I had to push it twice, all right? Okay, you are fanatics. And that's pretty much it. So make sure you subscribe, turn off your notifications. You'll get these updates, all right? And just remember one thing. You're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with a sweaty BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.